So this is day 2. What are we doing?
Going to get some wood for the bathroom remodel.
Because what happened yesterday? Reese calling with the fence problem, as in the video that y'all just saw before this one.
Right.
Yeah, that interrupted it. Yeah, and Kevin mentioned getting wood for the bathroom. We had a water leak. Our drain from our air conditioner, it's like a PVC pipe. Well, it broke. I told him I think something pulled on it on the pipe where the drips were coming out. I think something was drinking the water during the drought underneath the house. But anyway, we uncovered, when we pulled the tile up, we uncovered some floor damage, and so we just took the top layer up. That's all that was damaged. And I've got some kilts. I'm fixing to kilt the floor area because there was moisture in there. Although we've got treated plywood as our subfloor. When we built this house, we overbuilt it, and we didn't want, I mean, like all of our floor joists are treated lumber. We used no regular lumber. There's no untreated lumber in the bottom of our house. So this subfloor stuff just, it's set. We don't know how long it leaked because, like I said, we don't live on that side of the house. We don't use that side of the house. So we had a really big area. It affected there's like a little hallway area. So we just pulled all that up, and we're fixing to put down new second layer subfloor. I have light fixture. There he is. Got on his Ridge Life shirt. There's our new subfloor. And we're doing a wood countertop. I got what?
They got a wider one now.
I don't want a wider one. No. We're actually going to put, for our accent wall, you know, they have shiplap and they're selling it high dollar. Well, I like the texture of this, and we are putting this on. That looks pretty big.
8 inch.
That works for me. Flip it up and look at it. Look how nice that'll look, y'all. Painted. And I'm gonna put the black light fixture on there. Ooh, it's gonna be so nice, y'all. Ooh. And he's got that. I'm gonna hold off on the paint, interior paint. I have to go to a paint store. I know where I want to go and what I want to get. And they don't have it at any of the box stores. So it's a Benjamin Moore paint. And there's a store in Little Rock that carries Benjamin Moore, the only one I could find. But they got a color I want, so okay, let's think a minute. We got to get the fasteners for the floor. I want to make sure that I paint every 8 inches across in case I don't want any peeping of tan. The wall will be painted white. So I'll paint them white. Putting white kilts on here over this brown. That's the best thing to do. And you know, look at me right here. I have my top right here to go on my face so I can pour it. And look what I did. What a mess. Of course, the floor doesn't matter if it gets paint on it. But it's a much nicer experience if you keep your can clean, keep your lid clean where you can get a good seal on your bucket when you close it, and always have a rag in your back pocket. And I grabbed a box. I saw White rags. Well, you know, you get the little white rag. It's paper. It's not the cloth rags. I guess I looked up and saw like $24 or $12. Of course, I grabbed the $12. Well, that's why I need to learn to shop with my glasses on. Because I have not done that. But anyway, I'm ready to get it. And we are putting the cabinet back in, and we do have a countertop that we found that we're going to use, and a new sink and a new toilet. We're not putting the old ones back in that are bone colored. So let's get started. I have an old yardstick here that's going to help me kind of figure out the area that I need to do. So I'm not doing all of it. Hold on a minute. Can you show how uneven it is in the corner? Slap that corner thing in there. Look, see the hump? And go down with. Anyway, the drywallers, this is the room that is finish or quit on. And there's been a hump here. It was behind the toilet, so we didn't worry too much about it. And now that we're going to put what we're putting on this wall, we really need to get this straightened out, because I think it's just insulation fell down, and they just, you know, I'm not even sure that I don't know what they did. We're fixing to find out though. We're gonna cut it open. Hold on. Kevin has to cut this piece of wall out because it's got a hump in it. I just videoed going the wrong direction. I don't know if I'll use it or not, showing the hump. But we've wondered for 22 years. What if it's just trash they shoved in there? I wonder if they still live over there where they live.
I don't know where they live.
They're the people that lived right behind us with all the kids in the trailer, remember?
I know who they were.
In our old house, they lived right behind us. Our backyard's pit. That's not a very good cut, man.
It'll be all right.
Yeah. We're gonna get our feet wet with the drywall when we add the closet in the guest bed or in the office. That's gonna be a true challenge for us to float the drywall. I have floated holes in the wall before, pretty good sized holes. So
this is really on the wrong side of the wall for me.
yeah, Kevin's left-handed, so this is hard for him to do. I think you need a new blade. I've used that blade quite a bit. Did you change it?
No.
Oh yeah, that's probably the problem right there. That blade's been through heck with me. Having done auctions for years, I especially like wood shops and tools and things. And there was a wood shop going out of business. Well, the guy was really a hobbyist, and he had a lot of antique furniture and doors. And I remember I got antique doors for $2 and $3. Wonderful doors. Well, I got a big batch of hinges. And now these, to me, are absolutely beautiful, and they are solid brass. They are heavy. And I am putting them in my bathroom. I'm painting them black because I'm doing black fixtures. They'll look gorgeous on the cabinet I'm putting them on. And I need 2 knobs. Well, I don't have any knobs that match this. I don't know how old these are. They're not real old. So I'm going to use these knobs just because they have fancy dewy on it, you know, whatever you want to call it, swirly cues, and I think that 2 knobs will not stand out being different. They're painted the same color, and I will paint the screws. Nice brass screws came with them, and golly, you know, they're just gorgeous. And if you could feel the weight of them, I could sell them like this for good money. Everybody's doing brass or the golds, but no. I remember I got these tubs. They were, I think, $4 a tub, and I bought like 15 tubs full of hinges and knobs. You just won't believe all the stacks of stuff I've got. Well, let's get to spraying.